You can see which of your subscribers is online. Press on Subscribers button. Press on Online button. How to add a new subscriber. Press on Add button. The first name of your subscriber. The last name of your subscriber. Fill in the email which the subscriber will use to log into the system. Fill in the password which the subscriber will use to log into the system. The maximum number of different devices the subscriber can connect. Modify the subscriber's status. Select subscriber's country. Select subscriber's language. Select the packages that will be available to this subscriber. When you finish with filling up this form, press on Add button. Add playlist for the subscriber. Choose the subscriber you need and select it. Press on Playlist button. Press on Add button. Specify playlist name. Provide a playlist URL when you finish with filling up this form, press on Add button. If a playlist uploaded successfully, you will see the information you wrote. View information about devices used by the subscriber. Choose the subscriber you need and select it. Press on Devices button. Choose the device you need and select it. Press on Details button. Information regarding the time and location of the device used by a subscriber upon login can be accessed. Edit subscriber information. Choose the subscriber you need and select it. Press on Edit button. Here you can edit information about your subscriber and also find the activation code. With the help of the activation code, the subscriber can log into the system by using an activation code. When you have changed all the necessary information, press on Save button. Thank you for watching.